First, let's touch this car.
It's over there. Over there.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
No, then how do I pay?
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. To complete your purchase, please insert your credit card. Fully insert your card with the magnetic strip up, and then remove your card quickly. You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Print my card. Receipt.
Can you run the... There you go.
They need to fix their light because the little green arrow wasn't on.
Yeah, that's weird. That's it.
It doesn't say pull forward yet. Well, how do I know what to do?
Maybe we gotta fix their sign.
No.
Yeah, they gotta fix their sign.
So is that my fan that just started and I already pulled out?
No.
What do I hear then? Back there.
Oh no.
I think that was the fan. The blower, the dryer thing.
All I gotta say for this watch, it's the lights. I mean, the lights have got to need to be fixed. So you know when you gotta pull forward.
Yeah. But see now all
Yeah, that's
those
weird.
other